channel. I'm Easy, your friendly professional makeup artist. And I'm going to teach you today how to understand these basic makeup jargons or makeup terminologies we use in our profession, lalo na sa mga subscribers ko and sa mga followers ko who are also watching different professional makeup artists na may mga narinig kayong mga words that you don't understand. So today I'm here to help you. So if you want to learn a lot, then keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please don't forget to hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my next video posts. So let's begin. Hello everyone! So first word that you should understand is fallout. So fallout, it means that when applying eyeshadow on the eyelid and some powders from the eyeshadow fall out onto the bottom of the eye. So sa Tagalog, ibig sabihin lang naman yon, when you are applying the eyeshadow, minsan hindi mo natatap yung excess. Pag nag-a-apply ka, nalalaglag. So yun yung tinatawag na fallout. So ano yung way para hindi mag-fall out or maiwasan ng fallout? Number one, of course, you can do the wet application method. No, ginawa ko yan sa previous tutorial ko how to do a smoky eye. No, wetted application, or do not forget to tap your brush para matanggal yung excess powder sa eyeshadow. Or to prevent fallout, unahin mo muna yung eyeshadow makeup bago kayo mag-apply ng foundation. Okay? Next is waterline. Waterline is part ito ng ating eyes. So, pag may narinig kayong waterline at narinig nyo sa YouTube na, apply eyeliner on your waterline. Pag sinabing ganon, it means that that is the space between your eyeballs and your eyelash. So, when we say waterline, ito yon. This is the waterline. This is the lash, ito yung eyeball. So, waterline, ito. Dito kayo maglalagay ng pencil eyeliner. Okay? In my case, ako, ginagamit ko, sa mga tutorial ko, sinasabi ko, upper and lower waterline. Okay? Pag sinabi ng lower waterline, ito yon. Pag sinabing upper waterline, ito sa loob. Okay? And speaking of which, upper line, may tinatawag kaming application na ang pangalan ay Tightline. So, ano ba ang tightline? Tightline or tightlining, it is an application terminology na kung saan you are going to place your eyeliner pencil here sa loob. And that is tightlining. And hindi lang yung loob ang lalagyan mo ng tightlining, but even the roots of your lashes, lalagyan mo yan ng tightlining. So, when you say tightlining, I'm going to give you an example. Okay? So, pag nag-tightlining ka, hindi mo idediretsyong lalagyan to. Hindi ito part ng tightlining. Ang tightlining is sa ilalim niyan, and then you do this kind of method. Hindi siya yung diretsyo, but slowly you are pressing the pencil sa roots of the lashes and on the waterline. So, yun yung tightlining. So, number 4 is what we call color correcting or color correction. So, malamang you're familiar with this dahil marami kayo nakikita sa YouTube na iba-ibang kulay ang nilalagay dito. No, even the professional makeup artists do color correcting kapag may model sila na medyo sobrang dark or sobrang red or may pagka-bluish yung face ng model. So, what is color correcting? Color correcting is using opposite hues to cancel each other out, or using complementary colors to cancel out the look of skin discoloration. Ibig sabihin, yung color correcting na ito, ginagamit ito para magmukhang pantay yung color, maiwasan yung discoloration sa face ni client. Kasi pag hindi mo kinorek ang skin ni client, magmumukha yung ashy sa application mo. So, color correcting is just like this, no? You should also be familiar with color wheel. Okay, importante sa mga self-taught makeup artists, inaaral mo ang color wheel. For example, if your model has a really super dark brown under the eyes, then what color ang pwede mag-cancel out dito? Then you are going to use a dark orange or medium orange. kapag ang model mo is maputi, fair skin, pero may light brownish dito, then you're going to use a light orange or what we call a light peach or peachy orange type na corrector. Pag red, may mga redness, what cancels out the redness? Green. So, if you're going to see the color wheel, yun yung nagko-complement sa kanya. Nakatapat doon sa color wheel, red, green. So, pag mga ganon, kailangan you are familiar with color wheel. So, yun yung mga example ng color correction. But nowadays, may mga concealers naman na hindi na kailangan ng color corrector. May mga full coverage concealers na pag nilagay na dito, hindi na kailangan ng color correcting kasi kaya nang i-cover. But then again, if you heard this kind of words, then you know kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun. Number 5. So, number 5 is Cakey. So, what is Cakey? Cakey is a result after liquid or cream product such as foundation or concealer is applied or touched up over a top of already set makeup. Or also, a cause of having a cakey result sa face, it's because of applying too much foundation or cream foundation that is not suitable sa skin ng client mo. So, in Tagalog, pag sinabing cakey, makapal, namumuo. So, ano yung mga causes kung bakit nagkakaroon ng cakiness? It's because it could be, number 1, masyadong makapal ang paglalagay mo. Number 2, it's a reaction na maaaring yung foundation na ginamit mo, it's not suitable sa skin ng client mo. So, yan yung nagiging resulta ng nagiging cakey, namumuo, naghihiwalay na namumuo. So, you should be familiar with that, cakey. Then, number 6, we also heard this kind of beauty jargon or beauty terminology, and it is also called oxidize or oxidation. So, ano nga bang oxidize or oxidation? So, it means that it occurs when an element is exposed to oxygen, results in change of appearance. So, once na, kumbaga, it is applied, it is exposed through oxygen, nagkakaroon ng change of appearance. So, ano ang causes ng oxidation sa makeup natin? But some kasi nakaka-experience na nagiging ashy or hindi madaling mag-dark sa skin nila. There are this kind of reasons. Number 1, maybe this is the skin texture. Number 2, yung reaction ng natural oils nila sa skin kapag nilagay na yung foundation. And number 3, it could also cause yung mismong ingredient ng foundation ninyo. Maybe yung ingredient ng foundation ninyo is not suitable for your skin type. So, kaya nagkakaroon ng oxidation. And guys, also, talagang normal talaga sa makeup na nagkakaroon ng oxidation or oxidized skin. Okay? Normal talaga yan. But, it could lessen or mapapabagal natin yung oxidation if we are using the proper application and the proper product sa ating skin. So, kaya nga, importante to prevent oxidation, our 7th word would be primer. So, ano nga ba ang primer? Primer, this helps our makeup to stick to our skin. It creates also a barrier to between your makeup and your skin to slow down the oxidation or oxidizing. Kaya, importante sa mga self-taught makeup artists, sa mga beauty vloggers, sa ating lahat, no, na before we apply any foundation, your skin must be cleansed, tone, moisturized, or prep, and prime. Kaya kailangan mong gumamit ng primer para mag-slow down yung oxidation sa skin. So, sabi ko kanina, primer helps to make your foundation stick, adhere, make it last, and your primer would act as a barrier from your natural skin and sa foundation. Diba? Kaya nga no-oxidize, mabilis mag-oxidize ang foundation sa iba, it's because once na yung natural oil nag-mix sa foundation, nagkakaroon ng mabilis na reaction. So, importante that you are using primers. There are so many primers in the market right now that would be suitable on your skin type. Or, kung ano yung favorite ng texture. It could be a primer that is in form of drops, a primer that can be in form of tube type or cream type. So, kung ano yung preference nyo, basta make sure that this primer are good for your skin type, for oily, or there's also a primer with color correction. There's a primer that gives hydration. Marami yan. So, you have to check it out and try for yourself first. So, boys and girls, before I end this video, let's do a recap of the beauty jargons or beauty terminologies you learned today. 1. Fallout, waterline, tightline, color correcting, cakey, oxidize or oxidation, and primer. So I'm so glad that I was able to teach you these terminologies that you could really use in applying your makeup, and also when you are watching other professional makeup artists tutorials, my tutorials, or other beauty vloggers. I believe that you could now easily understand them. So alam niyo na kung paano gamitin ang mga beauty jargons na ito, and I wish you good luck on your makeup application and on your makeup journey. It will be a series of this tutorial in this following weeks to come, and I want you to be excited as I am. So I want my subscribers to be familiar with this jargons or terminologies, because that's really my aim in this channel, to teach my subscribers to do their own makeup in a professional level. And please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click like in this video and hit the bell notification for you to be updated on my next video tutorial. So stay safe everyone. God bless us all. Bye!